Hey everyone, want to download and install InShot on your Android phone? It's super easy. Let me show you how. All right, so first thing, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. It's that colorful triangle icon. You can't miss it. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top and type InShot. Hit search and you'll see a bunch of results pop up. Look for the official InShot video editor app. It should be the first result. It's made by InShot Inc. and has millions of downloads. Tap on it to open the app page. Now you'll see the app details with screenshots, reviews, and all that. Just tap the green Install button. That's it. The app starts downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this usually takes just a minute or two. You can see the download progress right there on the screen. Once it's done downloading, it installs automatically. When you see Open instead of Install, that means it's ready to use. You can either tap Open right there to launch InShot, or just close the Play Store and find the InShot icon on your home screen or app drawer. First time you open it, InShot might ask for permissions to access your photos and videos. Just tap Allow so it can actually edit your media files. And that's it. InShot is now installed and ready to use for editing your videos and photos.